In Boston, when we say they're skating in the garden, we're talking about the Bruins hockey team. But today, we're gonna be in the garden at the job site doing a little skating of our own. Hey, Evan.
Hi, Jen. How's it going?
I mean, how's it going out here? This is incredible. This is completely different from what we had before. It's just level grass. You want to walk me through how we got it all installed?
Originally, it was my neighbor John's idea,
Okay.
and he hosted it, but it was small, and this lawn deserves it for the size that it is.
So how did you get it level? How did you come up with the dimensions for the space?
Yeah, originally the whole backyard sloped because there was an old carriage house for the horses and everything. So I used a backhoe and leveling it out and doing a tiered system that you saw back in the spring.
Yep.
And then while I was at it, neighbor John was like, why don't you add self-draining spigots? Then we could just have water, you know, in the winter.
Once you have it all level, then you put the boards up, right?
What we figured out was, you know, if I'm able to use the outdoor rated plywood,
Right.
we ripped that down to the height you see. It's like 16 inches. And I just put some wooden stakes at, you know, where it meets. We ripped it down to like 18 inches high.
Okay.
And a couple of screws was enough to hold it in place. And then once the ground freezes, it holds the wooden stakes there. And then it's ready for the liner.
Right.
And they make it specifically for outdoor ice rinks. And so it's all one piece. It's
Right.
this white on white, both sides.
That's 7mm thick, right?
Yeah, and this one has like a rip stop system, which is sort of that weave pattern, because inevitably a skate will nick it, a puck will ding it,
Right.
things like that. And so that kind of helps to keep it from tearing too far.
So this is an essential part of the rink. And then
Definitely.
how many hoses did it take to fill this thing?
Too many. We did it in about 3 or 4 big floods.
Okay.
And you know, it looks level if you look at the backyard when you were here in the spring.
Yeah.
But you know, over the span of like 90 feet, 1 inch.
Travels far.
Yeah.
Right? So this is 90 by what, like 30?
30, 35.
Okay.
Yep.
So is it ready to skate on?
Absolutely.
All right, well, I brought a few friends. You mind if we have a go?
Yeah, you know, I brought a few as well.
All right,
Let's get a game.
see you on the ice.
So this is winter in Saratoga Springs.
All right.
What's up?
Hey, so where's Tommy?
Thank you.
Tommy, we
See
need
you on the ice.
You guys ready to drop the puck?
Keep going! Yes! Yes!
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.